Hi there, it's Chris for Tippy Club Gaming, and today we're going to take a look at another booster for the Walking Dead All Out War from Mantic Games. So here we're taking a look at Maggie, the Hilltop leader. Just like with the Rick one, we've got the ones with these backings. These are your Cult of Arms cards. So you've got your Hilltop faction rules, you've got Maggie and Sophia there as well. Like I said on the Rick one, Cult of Arms is not a version of the game that I've played. So at the moment those cards aren't much use to me. Maybe it's in the future. Mantic point as always, and then we'll just filter out the Cult of Arms cards. So we've got the equipment cards here with the faction on there, which is Hilltop, binoculars, backpack, Hilltop sword, Hilltop spear and longbow. Let's get them to the side. So the All Out War cards, we have the Steyr AUG A3, takes us back to playing Counter-Strike. The Blacksmith Hammer, which is a Hilltop only weapon. Utility belt, attachment utility belt keyword. It gives you two other special item cards with that. Survivor may only carry one utility belt. Thrown axe, Hilltop only. Hilltop spear, Hilltop only. And thrown spear, Hilltop only. We've got Maggie Greene, leader of the Hilltop, and Sophia, surrogate daughter. They both have the Hilltop faction symbol there. Sophia doesn't shoot. She has a red dice melee, a white dice defense. Maggie is blue defense, white shoot, white melee. Yeah, pretty standard health there for them. Sophia's got 3, being one of the child characters who's not overly combat. That's pretty standard really. Supportive daughter, if a friendly Maggie Greene is within Sophia's kill zone and is not yet active, Sophia may sacrifice one of her actions to give Maggie +1 action. If she does this, roll a black dice on a shield. Maggie activates as soon as Sophia's action is complete, so it gives you a chance to do some double actions going on there. Maggie, she has leader ability, organised leadership. Maggie may sacrifice any number of actions to add a blue dice per action to a special dice pool. In melee phase, friendly Hilltop fighters may add these dice to their side's melee. So that works quite well with the Sophia rule. You can use that bonus action to actually start boosting up your guys in melee. Quite handy tactic, I think there. Widow, as long as a friendly Glen is not in play, Maggie rerolls blanks on any white dice she rolls, so melee and shooting. Tactical advantage at the start of a melee phase in which any friendly Hilltop models are in combat, not including Maggie herself, roll a black dice. On a shield, the threat level does not increase. So there'll be some pretty interesting dynamics going on just with these two alone. It'd be interesting to see how they actually work together in the game. Okay, so we take a look at the models. Again, we've got some nice resin pieces here. We have Sophia and Maggie. Then there, Sophia obviously separate to our base there, so you've got your base with that one. Sophia's arms and head, body and legs there. And then the other one is Maggie's hand and arms and with the gun in that one. One handy thing with these Cult of Arms cards though, like mainly with these resin ones where you've got to put them together, if you're not quite sure on how the models do go together, it does have a picture of them on here, which is always quite handy. So I find that sometimes with with resin models when I've got to put them together, there's a lot of different ways that the body parts can fit together, so it can be a little bit awkward because you end up with some like weird poses. So that's pretty handy, I've got to say.